Hey guys, welcome to episode 3 of Building a Chicken Coop. Today I am going to be hopefully finishing up the main coop, and this morning while I was walking my dog, one of my neighbors was throwing away a glass picture frame. So I took the glass out and I'm making a wooden frame for that right now to make a window. What I have here are just some 2x2s, and I took my circular saw and just did a couple passes through it. So I'm about to do the third piece, and I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So I just finished making this window. After I cut the pieces, I just drilled a hole in and screwed them together. Just a basic frame. I don't know if you can see that. There was a slight hairline crack there, and as I tightened the wood up, it grew a little bit. But that's okay, it's just for a chicken coop. Now that I made that window, I'm going to cut a opening for that window in the door. It's the south facing wall, so they'll get morning sun and afternoon sun also. I'm going to use my angle grinder for this, just trying to test out a new method. Maybe it'll be more efficient, maybe not. Hey guys, now that I have this all cut out, I'm going to put in my window, and I've caulked the outside edge of the window to keep water from getting in, and hopefully to keep this from rotting. So I'm going to flip this door around and install this window into the back of it. Hey guys, so the battery on my camera died as I was nailing the window into the door frame. So one nail in each corner. Here's what the door looks like when it's closed. Yeah, this guy's ready to be put up now. While my camera battery was charging, I took the time to clear out this area and bring in a bunch of mulch. So I had a bunch of mulch. We had a tree that got cut down and shredded, and I asked them to leave it here. So we've had that since about February. It's almost a year now, and it's starting to break down, but it'll be great for the chickens. So while the camera battery was charging, I went along and I made this ramp. Here's the ramp installed. Also, while that battery was charging, I installed this wire and eye hooks to the door. I also added a 2x4 at the bottom there for extra weight, so this way it comes down nice and easily, and it's harder for some critter to push it up to try to get into the coop. I also cut down a tree a while ago, a different tree than I was talking about earlier, and found this branch, and something said to me to keep it, and I think I'm going to use it as the perch for the chickens. So I figured out how I was going to install this branch. I drilled a pilot hole for the nail, and I nailed it into this support, and I also drilled a pilot hole for the screw, and then I cut it down with its natural curve. It ended up right into this corner, and I drilled 2 pilot holes and hammered those in too. So I can put a good amount of weight on this. It'll flex a little, but it's not going to break. So I also reinforced this wire here with just a stronger, heavier insulated wire, and I just cut the cord of a old fan that I was saving for parts, and it's a pretty heavy duty insulated wire, and I have it wrapped around there, down there, and then I just cut the other half of the wire, and I'll use that for something else. But for right now, works pretty good. The other night I ended up cutting 2 of these pallet picket fences, and here's the second one I ended up cutting, and that's where I'm gonna have it. There's the other one right there. As I was installing this, the window ended up cracking, and so I just put some clear Gorilla Tape over that crack. It started right there where that other crack was, that I thought it would be fine, and got me. This is what it looks like so far. Let's take a look. Take a look inside. So there's their perch. I put that vinyl floor down with the bricks just to stretch it out a little bit. And then here's the nesting box. There's the hole I cut out for them. And I'll be filling this up with some wood chips or something. And I might be moving that up a little bit right there, because the door is kinda, see that gap there is, I don't like that gap. Wrapping up part 3 of building the chicken coop. I put the window in, built the window. I built the ramp and installed it. I also figured out what to do with the perch, reinforced the cable pull-up for the pulley door, put in the mulch into the chicken run, and put up the 4th wall with the door. If you like watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like any video in particular, please click the like button. Thanks for all the support, and I'll keep these videos coming. Bye.